Because of copyright issue, I can't play a song for it, but it's anti-hero songs from Taylor Swift. If you want to change your face to someone else's face, see this tutorial. But before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and share this tutorial with your friends. Show your face in the first video, and in the second video show the photo of the face of the person you want to become on your phone screen. And in the third video I lip read Taylor Swift's song. Go to the ourea.pro website, click on face swap section and click on quick start. Upload your video and upload the photo of the person you want your face to become. And click on let's watch and download the video that's created. Zoom the video to the mobile frame with keyframe. Then I match it with the second video where I only show the mobile phone to the camera. And for the transition between the second and third video, I use flash and transition. If you like this video, send it to your friends so they can make it too. And if you want to learn more tips and tricks of editing, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.